How to make a smooth slow motion video in Capcut app by easy way and fast. So, let's enjoy watching this video until at the end and follow step by step. First, import the video that you want to make it to Capcut app. And then click on the volume and turn off to 0. After, click on speed and click normal and set the duration 0.3 seconds. Click on copy and copy here. Click on overlay and hold the video that we have copied under the main video and make sure the two video is the same duration. And then click on blend and set on the normal to 30. So, finally, we got the slow motion and smoothie video by do it easy and take time by a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video until at the end. See you in the next videos.